Hello and welcome everyone. In this video, I am going to talking about how we can install and activate Academy LMS plugin in our WordPress dashboard. For our site and for our WordPress and site, I am using xcloud managed hosting. They are providing some cheapest and best solution for WooCommerce and our professional site. I am already using their platform. You can also choose any of their package for your Academy LMS site. Educational site comes up with sort of pricing and plan from their site. I am giving a description in my video. I will give you a video description in my I will give you a link in my video description so you can choose any of their platform. So you will find a video review in my YouTube channel. So I'm going to create my site, new site for our Academy LMS. I'm going to choose a server. Going to next. I'm going to create a new installation for my site. Choosing this one. I can also go live with domain, but right now I am going to add a staging domain environment. So giving this one, giving a Academy's LMS, that giving a name, site title. They will provide a staging domain for you. So I'm using Lightspeed cache and all of these things. So right now creating next. So they will verifying your storage and all of these things for you. Let me wait for a moment. You can choose any of the platform for your education site, but make sure they are providing WooCommerce support and free SSL certificate for you. And they have some advanced feature, light speed cache and advanced settings for your WooCommerce and WordPress site. So this is my new WordPress site for this tutorial. So I'm going to log into my site, clicking on Magic Login, and I can also visit this site, opening a new tab, just clicking on Magic Login. So this is our site right now. So from our dashboard, click on plugins, navigate to plugins, click on add new plugins, search for Academy LMS. So this is the very first plugins for to activate installation. Click on install now and activate it. So they have activated it for your site. So or you can also let's get started for your site. If you want to create an individual platform, just clicking on this. If you want to create a marketplace platform, you can choose any of these. So I am going to create individual platform. So next. So they will create a page for you, dashboard pages. And if you want to load Academy LMS font and Academy LMS login platform, just enable this one. You can also skip this text step, click on next, and they will provide an instructor registration page and instructor profile also. If you enable this one, for publishing course, instructor can publish course directly for your site. You can also enable this one. By default, this is disabled. We can manage all of these settings from our dashboard also. Click on next. So this is student registration page. So student can register from our site. Click on finish. So we have successfully set up our site. So go to dashboard. So this is our dashboard right now. This is analytics for our site. If you want to give a access for your site, people can register for your site. Just click on this, enable, or you can also enable these settings, membership settings manually from the settings, general and membership. From the settings dashboard, click on general and choose the membership. I'm going to give this enabling this feature for your site. So this is the logo for Academy LMS dashboard. Click on this. This will give you a short analytics for our Academy LMS site, course enrollment, and all of these things are pro. I will cover a pro version for you also. And this is the total course. This is total course enrolled, lesson and review also. This is the tab for course. We will see all of this course available in our site, in our platform. And this is for category, course category obviously. And this is for tags of this course. And this is for lesson, available lesson will be viewed here, show here. And this is announcement tag. Next one is announcement tab. All of this announcement regarding our tutor, regarding our courses will available here. And next one is question and answer. If students give you, ask a question, and you can also answer all of them from here. And this is the instructor tab. All of this instructor will be shown here. And student tab will show the data of students in our site. And add-on plugins show you extra functionality. If you want to give you extra functionality for our site, you can avail the all of the sort of add-ons. Some of are free and some of are paid. So clicking on this free, you will get this option, these add-ons activate in our platform. And for avail the pro add-ons, you will have those advanced settings for course manual enrollment, course bundle, course prerequisites, and email management, WooCommerce subscription based advanced analytics. So you will must purchase pro. You will have to, if you want to access add-ons, pro add-ons, you have to purchase pro platform also, pro license also. This is the tools. These tools status platform give you a overview for our site. So our site is almost compatible for Academy LMS, and these Academy LMS tabs give you option. They will provide some predefined page for your dashboard, course, student registration, and instructor registration, password reset for your site. So you can also regenerate if any of these pages are missing. You can also regenerate pages from here. So you can access, you can see the status of your pages. And this is for shortcode. And you can also import and export lesson for your site. And this is the setup wizard for you for the beginner also. At the beginning, you can find this setup for you. So you can also go back to skip to dashboard. So this is how we can activate and do the basic setup for our site. And you can also explore all of these settings for site. In the next video, we will show how we can create a course in our platform. So see you in next. Thank you.